our session in this Module 3A implementation, let us have Activity 7. In this activity, we are going to have a sample learning outputs obtained from different assessment methods may be collected to build a learner's portfolio. Read guidelines on the preparation of portfolio and e-portfolio to find out how to construct and use it. After reading the references, answer the following quiz to check your understanding about using portfolio to assess the learner. There are 7 questions in this activity. All you have to do is to check either it is true or false. Then, check out Lesson 2, Activity 7, Answer T to see how well you did. Learners are different and have different abilities. For some topics, you can give students some options or alternatives on how they will be assessed. Just make sure that this would show how much they have learned. Good job! You are done with Lesson 2. We can now proceed to